From this tutorial, we're going to start talking about dimensions. We created these drawings, as we remember, from the previous tutorials. So now it is time to add the dimensions, because it is important to have the dimensions in any drawing. And as you learn in the engineering book, that the dimensions having some rules that you need to follow, and you can easily know the difference between the type of dimensions and the arrows and so on. So to start working with dimensions, you have smart dimensions icon here. You click on it, you will find two types of dimensions. You have smart dimensioning and the dimension expert. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the dimension expert, and then we're going to use the smart dimensioning, because the dimension experts is kind of faster. So let's click on dimensions and select your view. You will notice you will get an error. So when you are selecting this view, you need to select a vertex or the reference point to your dimensioning. So let's start find any point. Here you will get a message that the dimension expert is used in part level, not on this assembly. So let's go here. I created a single part here, and I'm going to make a drawing from this part. So let's place our parts here. So now we have these parts. So now back to smart dimensioning, dimension expert, and here you know the difference between the baseline and the chain type of dimensioning. That depends on the baseline is clearer, but sometimes it depends on the area and the available places to your dimensions. So here you have the vertex or whole center, and we're going to select this center or this point. So now we have a reference point for your dimensioning. Now you can simply click on the parts here, and you will get your dimensions automatically done. So that is very fast way to create your dimensions.